Yes, hi everyone. This is Beacon's recipe again. Like we're going to make a vegetable macaroni. So we will have everything in front of us. There's carrot, there's green peppers, there's onion, there's garlic, there's ginger, and there is a cube Maggi, and then our macaroni. So as the first, as you can see, we are cutting carrots into small parts as you wish, and then after cutting the carrots into small parts, we are going to be cutting the onion. Depending on what you use, it all depends on what you want to use. So I'll put the macaroni into hot water just for them to be boiled. Then I'll go to the onions, then I'll be cutting them. For me, I'm going to use three onions, so you can use either one or two depending on your choice. It's that's on your choice. You can use how many onions that you want. So after cutting off the onion into just a medium part, not very small, not too big. Yeah, I'll be cutting them like that. Then after, I'll put them in the bowl. Yeah, so that I can get another space. Yeah, I'm just doing this for this is something which is very simple, like everyone can use at home. So the rest is I'm cutting the green pepper just into also medium into medium part. You can just cut how many you want. For me, I'm just going to cut only two of them because yeah, that's what I want. I want only to cut two. So if you want, you can use one, you can use three or five, just depending on your taste. So for me, I'll just here use only these two. Yeah, then after I'll cut ginger. You can also blend it depending on your choice. This is about any choice. If you have a blender, you can use blender. If you don't have a blender, you can cut it. If like, you can use anything just you want, as long as you're doing something for yourself. This is a very very normal recipe everyone can do wherever you can be. It doesn't need a lot of things. You just watch and know how you can do your macaroni wherever you want. So the rest of the ginger is garlic. Yeah, I'll smash garlic, like how many garlic you want. It all depends on your choice. So for me, I will do like 10 garlic. Yeah, after smashing them, then I'll put them together with ginger, and then after yeah, I will go to check about my macaroni if they are boiled already. Then take the pot, put oil on, like a little oil, not too much. Then after in the oil, I have to put carrot first and fry them till they're ready. After frying them, I'll add also onion and keep frying until they become like they're red, but not too ready. Then green pepper after. Keep frying until they all become like they're ready. Yeah, you can see that something is ready. Then I'll add my garlic and the ginger at the same time. Keep mixing. There's no tomatoes, there's nothing like tomato, there's no tomato paste or any fresh tomato, no. And the only seasoning that I'm going to use is only Maggi. I'll put Maggi, like depending on your taste, how many you want. For me, I will just add three. Then after, add some little water, just small water. Then put my macaroni. Mix very well. So this is depends on your choice, depends on what you want. This is just a very easy recipe. So everyone can do it, and after it is going like to taste so yummy, and I'm sure that you're going to thank me later. You don't have to need anything else. So that's my food. Everyone can taste it. Smells so good and it's so yummy. Thank you for watching this. Please keep sharing, and